Myself Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce PA. Today discuss the topic of advanced accounting, depreciation, methods, reserve and provisions. Depreciation. Meaning, depreciation may be defined as a permanent decreasing value of assets through varying use of passages. The time depreciation is expenses, losses involved in using machinery, motor vehicle, tools and other assets, fixed assets and process of production has been to providing for this done, estimating the amount to be written off the value and particular asset in each year, setting this amount again the profit for this year. Depreciation. Institute of Chartered Account of India define a measures of wearing out of consumption of other losses and value of depreciable assets arising from these uses and timing of balance through the technology and marketing changes. Depreciation is allocated as soon as charges failure proportions of the depreciation amount in this each accounting period during the expected useful life of the asset. Depreciation including of assets whose useful life of predetermined. Cases of depreciation. Physical. In case of mainly for bearing and assets in use from rest, root, decline from export to winding, rain, sun, some other element of nature. Cases of depreciation. First one, physical destruction. In case of mainly from wearing and tear, when these assets in use from erosion, rest, root and decline from being exposed to wind, rain, sun and other element of nature. Second one, economical factors. These may be said to be those cases of assets to be put off users even in good physical condition. The third one, time factors. These are certain assets with the fixed period of legal life such as lease, patent and copyright. The next one, depletion. Depletion in some of assets are of wasting characters, perhaps due to the extraction of raw materials and other materials are either used by firms and making some assets and raw-stated from other firms. Next one, need for providing depreciation to know this true profit, to show the true financial position, to make the provision replacement of assets. Method of depreciation. The first method, straight line or fixed installment method. Under this method, fixed percentage of the original value of assets and return of every year to be reduced the assets nil to scrap value end of the estimated life of asset. Second method, straight line or fixed installment merit. The first one, simple, understanding, easy to apply. Second one, it can return down of assets to zero at the end of working life if desirable. It is very suitable for these assets have fixed life. Some of merits of the straight line method. Demerits. It becomes difficulty to calculate the depreciation additional made during this year to providing depreciation charges remaining some from this year to irrespective uses of assets. Third one, it trends to reports an increasing rate of return of investments in this asset amount due to the factors that balance of the assets amount taken. Next method, written down value method. Written down value method of depreciation is calculated certain percentage in each year balance of the assets which brought down from the previous year. The amount depreciation charges to be each year period not fixed. It goes to decreasing gradual as beginning balance of the each assets will be reduced. Some merits of written down value method. It trends to given failure and even charges of depreciation again revenue for each year. Fresh calculations and depreciation is not necessary when this additional are made. The next one, this method recognized this income tax and authority of India. Some factors of merits of written down value method. Next, demerits. Demerits in the original cost of the assets and of subsequent year assets never to be reduced to zero. difference between straight line method and written down value method. First different changes in depreciation of amount. Straight line method, through this life of assets, the amount of depreciation remaining is to be equal. Written down value method, amount of depreciation more during the early year to interested assets later year, therefore the amount of never equally. Second different, balance in asset account. Straight line method. Straight line method, assets account is expiry accepted life of become nil. Written down value method, the account never become nil. Third one, overall charges. Straight line method, the overall charges is depreciations and repairs taken to the year of other amount of depreciation repairs relatively less than during the year and assets of later year repairs increasing use of assets. Written down value method, overall charges remaining in the same year every through this life of assets and depreciations go to decreasing amount of depreciations, repairs and increasing. Fourth different, profit making this method during year continue. Straight line method, written down value method, profit of less than every year to the profit making. Next, annuity method, third depreciation method. Under this method of spent the purchase of assets and regarding to the investment, assuming and earning interest, certain the every year asset account in debited to the amount, interest to be credited to depreciation account. The interest to be calculated debit balance and asset account beginning from this year. Fourth method, depreciation fund or sinking fund method. Under all the methods discussed now, ready to cash may not be available the time replacement come because this amount depreciation retaining of this business itself from these assets and separated from this asset came to readily sold. This method applied for lease implies the amount return of depreciation should be make investment ready to acceptable securities. The securities accumulated the life of assets express the securities are sold with the sales proceed new assets of purchasing in this method of sinking fund method. Next, difference between sinking fund and annuity method. First, different investment in outside securities. Sinking fund method, depreciation charge investment outside securities at the end of the first year. Annuity method, depreciation charge not investment in outside securities. The basic difference of investment in outside security. Second different, interest. Interest is based for sinking fund. First interest to be earned during the second year first entry and investment interest at the end of the second year. Annuity method, interest to be earned in the first year and hence made to the end of the first year. Next, different, receipt of interest. Sinking fund method, actual interest to be received. Annuity method, no interest is received, only adjustment entries are made. Next, different, calculation of depreciation. Sinking fund method, amount to be depreciated is calculated helping sinking fund table. Annuity method, calculated with the help of annuity table. Next, different, charge to profit and loss account. Sinking fund method, depreciation charge the cost of minus interest. Annuity method, depreciation charge cost plus interest. Next, difference, changes in interest. Sinking fund method, the amount of interest increasing year after year. Annuity method, the decreasing year after year. Next, different, value of assets of reporting purpose. Sinking fund method, the value of assets account remaining the same year after the depreciation is charged to every account. Annuity method, the depreciation is charged the every year and to be value of assets in degrees. Next, depreciation method, insurance policy method. This method similarly is to depreciate the fund to be instead making the investment arrangement with the insurance companies. We will receiving the premium annual amount paid at the end of fixed period of requirement amount. Next, difference between sinking fund and insurance policy method. The first one of different uses of depreciation amount. Sinking fund. Sinking fund method, depreciation amount to be purchased security at the end of the year. Insurance policy method, used paid for premium insurance at the beginning of the year. Next different risk. Sinking fund method, they may be risk on losses of securities or realized in sinking fund. Insurance policy method, the fixed amount of receiving, no risk or losses. The next different utilization of amount received. Sinking fund method, new assets purchase of after selling the securities, adjustments, amount receivable by the new asset. Insurance policy method, even if the asset destroyed during the year, we can realizing the amount, insurance can be replaced of this asset. Next depreciation method of revaluation method. Under this method, assets revaluation at the end of the accounting year compared to the value of assets from the beginning year, the difference treated as a depreciation. Next method, depletion method. This method, the most use of minus, queries, etc. certain the quantity of output accepted to obtain the value of dependent upon the quality minerals can be obtained. The whole quantity taken mine losses it values. The rate of depreciation work about only per ton. It obtained the dividend of cost to mines total quantity minerals accepted to be available. Next method, machine hour rate method. This method of useful to cases of machine. This life of machine fixed term of hour. Hourly rate of depreciation worked in the dividing cost of machine to the total number of hours which has machine is accepted to be used. Depreciation has a return of the year. We will be ascertaining multiple hourly depreciation by the number of hours that the machine is actual running of the year. Reserve and provisions, meaning the term of provision means any amount of return or retained by the way of providing depreciation, renewals and value of assets retaining by way of providing any liability, the amount which may be determined with substantial accuracy. If the amount of such liability can be ascertaining, it will be liability and not a provision. Provision depreciations, provision of bad debts and doubtful debts, provision for taxation, provision for repairs and renewals are some of example of provisions. Meaning of reserve, any sum of which appropriate out of the profit of loss appropriation account is not meant to liability, contingency, commitment, reduction, the value of assets and reserve. It will be providing meeting prospective losses, liability, creations, reserves and increasing working capital of business and strength, financial position. Some of the amount is not keep to the business, additional working capital and investment in the purchase of outside security, then it is called reserve of fund and reserves. A reserve may be capital reserve, revenue reserve, capital reserve. Capital reserve is created in this capital profit, trading revenue of profit not really available for distribution, dividend and shareholder is called capital reserve. Say for example, profit prior to incorporation, premium issue of shares, debenture profit, reissue of shares, redemption of debentures, profit of sales under the part of expectation, abnormal nature which is mean distribution, dividend to shareholder. Some example. Next, revenue reserve. Any reserves are available, distribution of dividend and the shareholder is called revenue reserve. General reserve, dividend equally, reserves, staff welfare reserve, debenture, redemption reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, contingency reserve. Some example of such reserves. Difference between provisions and reserves. First different, provision is to be charged profit and loss account where reserves appropriation of profit. This provision may be charged profit and loss can be calculated net profit or loss of reserves there is profit. Second different, provision may be legal necessity but creating reserve matter of financial and to save the possessive losses and liabilities. The third different provisions is created some specific object which reserves can be created losses and used future liability or losses. Next different provisions can be distributed profit or loss. General reserves distributed profit and utilizing period of reserves can be transferred. Next, secret reserve. Secret reserve may be explained in the surplus existing, disclose the balance sheet. Under the situation in the financial concern of defined, better the appear from this balance sheet. Such reserves usually maintained in banking, insurance companies, financial houses, etc. This created in secret reserves. First one, to providing exclusive depreciation, undervaluing asset. Next one, charging capital expenditure to revenue account. Next, overhauling liabilities to make excessive provisions for losses. Next one, to increasing working capital of company, to strength of financial position without disclosing strength to public. Next one, even to bad time dividend rate can be equally. Expected losses can be made to secret reserve. Disadvantage of secret reserve: the balance sheet will not be appear true and fair the statement of affairs of business. Second one, the company wrong position can be cancelled direction any making secret reserve. The third disadvantage: when secret reserves can be created in assets, all these less value of balance sheet, the concern not get full claiming losses fire of the assets, which assets are destroyed by the fire. Next, general and specific reserve. General reserves are not created in the specific purpose is available in future conditions and expansion of business. General and specific reserve. General reserves are those two reserves which are not created for any specific purpose and are available for future contingencies, expansion of the business. These are created to providing additional working capital, strength of the financial position of concern. Specific reserve. These reserves are created specific future contingencies except repayment of liabilities, etc. Example, dividend equalization reserve, debenture redemption reserve. Thank you.